Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best project management tools for construction and what I actually recommend to what. Now, I know in what kind of field in construction you are or what you're looking for, so let me down below in the comments so I can give you the kind of the insight what kind of tool you can use. So the Procore. This is a great construction management platform built specifically for construction, covering document control, RFIs, submission, also change orders, scheduling and cost management. So it's kind of you have to be aware of that if you want to actually use it, it's more expensive, and also pricing is based on the annual construction volume, which penalizes growing companies. Accounting integration is still pain point due resistance from accounting softwares, Windows like Sage, and many people say that it's kind of more outdated tool. So the Procore is kind of the first one that you can request pricing, and this is something that also you can also do. Now the Autodesk Build, this is kind of another construction project management tool that you can actually use for yourself. So you can have strong sheet blueprint performance on iPads. As you can see, it can work well. Good desktop connector for working locally. Strong product development and future forward roadmap. But per user licensing model, which gets expensive fast. Every user, including clients, designers, and subs, needs a license. Can end up costing more than Procore when you factor all the licenses. That's something to be aware of. And cost management features are weak because the data typically lives in the ARP. So just be aware of it. Buildertrend. This is another one. This is kind of the project management software that you can also use. Now with this one, what is great is a well-known and widely used in residential construction, covers the basic scheduling, daily logs, change orders, client portal, and maybe you kind of like when I'm going to click here the pricing, and you're gonna see right here that you can actually get the custom quote here. But financial tracking and job costings are weak. Also, what is important that accounting integration, especially with QuickBooks Online, is described by users as not that great. Also, recent updates have gone in the wrong direction according to multiple users. Unreliable platform performance. This is something else report that I read, but again, maybe you're gonna like it, so you can actually check it out for yourself, and maybe you're gonna enjoy it. Now, the ClickUp, on the other hand, what I really like about ClickUp is that you're gonna have the free forever account here that you can actually check out for yourself. Now, you can have unlimited users tasks, Gantt chart view, map view, AI assistant, 1000 plus integration with other tools. But with the ClickUp, what you have to be aware is more kind of the project management generally, but you can actually use it for construction. There are plenty of templates. You can have also the plenty of views here that you can choose. So that's very good for yourself, that if you want to choose between the views, you can use it, and you can have the list, the Gantt, calendar, doc, board, form, table, dashboard, timeline, activity, workload, whiteboard, many others here. So that's something you can do, but this is not primarily for the construction, okay? Requires also heavy customization and integration with other tools to handle construction specific needs like job costing or invoicing. So it's not primarily for the construction, so be aware of it. So you need to kind of connect it with also QuickBooks and other tools for the kind of complexity, but that's something that you can also use. Now the Fieldwire is another one. So Fieldwire is kind of the job site management for construction and teams, and this is something that you can also check out for yourself. So with it, you can have the basic account where you can see also that you can have the basic account per user month, and you can actually try and see for yourself. So you can have a real-time task assignment and push notification, blueprint markup directly for mobile devices, easy to use for on-site teams, good for field coordination. But for the kind of the free plan, you can have only 3 projects. That's something to be aware of, and 5 users with no custom statuses. Also, not a full project management or cost control solution on its own, but maybe you kind of you could use it, and it's kind of was acquired by Hilti. So that's something to be aware of. Another one is Methvin. So construction estimating, takeoff and management suite. This is another one. So strong estimating features, including estimating with subscribers, digital drawing, storage replaces paper blueprints, streamlined client portal for control collaboration, free plan limited to just 1 user, no mobile app available, and that's something that you can also try, and maybe you would kind of like it. Zoho projects. Now with Zoho projects, this is like kind of like another one. So with Zoho projects, you can have like project management tool, but this is not primarily for the construction, but they got kind of like Zoho One, where you can combine like all the things together, and you can have the task management, invoicing, progress reports, great mobile app, affordable and simple for small teams. But the learning curve is a little bit more because you can like combine it. It's kind of like simple, I think, but it really depends, and you can like combine it with multiple things, and maybe you would like it. So that's another one. Wrike 2. Wrike, you're gonna have a project management platform with work intelligence features that uses AI to identify risks and potential problems before they escalate. And you can see it for yourself. You can have no built-in note-taking tool, cannot convert comments into tasks, project tracking features feel lighter comparing to competitors, and no construction specific. So that's another one. And then also JobTrade. So with JobTrade, you're gonna have the construction management platform popular with small GCs offering budgeting, documentation management, and job cost tracking, affordable price. So this is kind of like all the ones that I want to share with you that maybe you kind of like, you would like it, and you can schedule demo and see for yourself. And when I'm going to click here on the pricing, you see $200 per month, and it's like kind of like more expensive side comparing to, let's say, ClickUp, but maybe you're gonna like it too. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.